or say, let us build the country, Burkina Faso. And for that matter, Obia wano so expertise biano. I just our volunteers or they boy. I mean, I am helping. Did you know here say resources and whatever be available in any excavators aba kroma. Nkrofo edi se wuram ese yensuo se ensase. Ne de ani. Look at that. Any. And while you're ready, he is doing it as well. He is the only person say awaka say Ghana in Africa. The obi a say Africa here IMF. Any a build it infrastructure no sini who or no and why can't asem no. The all ye niema what done a ditch say Africa and ye brebia near World Bank and you here IMF and whatever. We have enough to develop Africa. We have it to develop Africa. And about infrastructure, he is doing that. Hey, I say foreign masters, go away. Loans, go away. You see, just 100% patriotic execution. And it's all drew her. So a year. Burkina is here. Burkina Faso. Uko draws is here. Obia nyana kuma mu say leader no odi animu no. Leader no. Enye wono no de no ope. Eye omai no de no ope. Enti obia is ready. Obia is coming on board. Obia is coming on board.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And you see, I mean, African leaders do no. We are happy at this time because Abranti Oba said any see Bonidino. Now the pressure too almost. They say any did coffee. And now they are happy. Ni did coffee. We are not talking about him anymore. If I about Ghana, how many times yet na radio so cross abo Abranti di ehwe de oye. And because of that, leaders, because we are comfortable. No one is saying, say, and Ghana, your history, military buying, MYA. That's not what we are saying. Say, na military buying, and now no, okutu abegu na. No, that's not what we are saying. But the point is that, but you see, saying of my leaders, no. Even though you practice democracy, you bet me a fine tuning ya Jane, I'm ya Jane, cause no, a young crofona, or Mutwabama, and na, ye babe boom. A young mouth for no one, or Mutwabama, or Munti. And I answer Jatum say, ye babe boy. Hey, go and see. And I have the picture back. The fastest growing economy. And there, infrastructure. Near me koye or my coin. Any Burkina Faso emerges as one of West Africa's fastest growing economies under Traoré. He is doing well. He is doing well. See, I can say, oh yeah, a coin warrior. Also, buy na a coin be now or mobile by a contract no here no some family. Or share a foreign contractor na babe no say no. I mean, let's do it ourselves. I mean, I can see and he did that. Yet to chrome her and you share but oh, you buy concrete roads. How? Yes, Ghana, you bet my. How many kilometers in the air concrete? How many? But go there and see Oba was starting on your concrete roads. A Greek, he's investing.
87.9.
And we should speed Oba the way now. I mean, You could see say waba obey bibi. This is it. Look at this one. Concrete. Waba, why you willing, why you ready so about baby? Or yeah, Jumanoa. Or say there has to be supervision. And then quality control services. Then you know won't be. And you know my mouse sika and you know in baby. Man, you my phone being you got you sika. After 1 year, 2 years, no quantity to 2 can be a manager or groma, no quantity to no in any not no. It is not about say the style, no. Maybe our year or a leader, or a military leader, and for that matter, also understand. But you see, we are practicing democracy. We can do same. And why don't my offices near there? One more year, Juman. The entire don't call on any say. The entire don't call on any say. Omunsha said Juma idea contractor so onion, obeying ye. But because of some percentages here, I agreed. And you know, unto me, we got you 10%. Now, what you 10% to see Caben won't find your quality work and for my. What do you 10%? You cannot declare Jumano. What do you 10%? As a supervisor, what do you 10%? Now you 10%, you know. When you then work Jumano. Look at this one. 1, 2. You see, Oba and say hey. Sa expressway, yeah, brewo kumase nkran de ni ade. Why be why 44? Ewo ho. We are suffering now at this stage. Baby Edri, we are suffering.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
You see, Ghana, say, yempani for no ye conscious. Now, my ye say, I mean, let's do this. Yem for direction when them build your my Ghana. We have a lot of people in this country. I want to do service. Ombe bread dedicated to my time. I volunteer so ombe mine. But obi ya on my Ghana obi ya no dream say no the otesro ho no so agene de. Nti esi there no so patriotism na ye kan wansem no ye dey preach no. Wonu momu de na on de on fa the patriotism nya adwuma na pani na otesro de. De ye ka patriotism eni ni booksum. Eni ni booksum. No, eni ni booksum. Nti de o tie me anopai. Se panino se sanadwea de otie ma no pay wo trotro mu de otie wo taxi de otie e wo no ankasa ne ka mu de information center bi no otie de on office a otie me no obeye willing say me so me die nie. But at the moment odwe ho say na me de me de akoye no me koye ne panino a ono me, so that is it.
Akoma FM 87.9
na me time am de koye no wi a panini wi a na watene de. Me see yet to Chroma. There's a certain director of education. No. Obia dedicated say, oh, media me had me free. My year Juma. Ain't no car. Me person come me sika. Exams. Bois. Me de ma me nkola ni free. Ono no di obenyanti o ka che nipa ne say. Abrantie. Ehun say ade na wo ye ndie nka you but e ba say be ye omo de. Enti no. Meanwhile, Nipano obi say, no say, I am ready to do it for free. Or sit there be da magiska. Adentia, no dear hiano. Because every time be an unyeska. Into no dear hianintino. And more being in yamunya bibi. This is the country you womb. Because Penifona wa Momo Romuchino Mubo Tom Dombenyaho. That is why you took Chrome her, baby. I'm dear free. Say yenya penifo a woman who say, oh, I mean at this point, you movie away. Focus now a term on the plant a friend is saying hydro no too much. And the diabetic a cranny in your solar, you invest your. We can do it. You bet me aye. But hey. Hey, baby, now see a kind of sa. Thank you, hey. hwɛ sɛdeɛ nkurɔfoɔ si sensase sensu ɔman no yɛayɛ asɛ yɛko yɛnko yɛpɛ sɛ yɛyɛ yɛnyɛ ɛne yɛde te ho abɛsi nnɛ enti nnɛ sɛ wokɔ ayi a kɔnɔngo a ɛwɔ sɛ teki nananom and nananom a mobɔɔ saa nan no yɛbɛbɔ maba so saa kɔnɔngo hɔ story ni ade yɛayɛ wɔ ha pɛn yɛayɛ wɔ ha yɛ na nkurɔfoɔ tu nkurɔfoɔ fie ase yɛayɛ wɔ ha yɛatena hɔ hwɛ you see the political war no wɔ fam political war no ɛwɔ fam the will to fight ɛwɔ fam tinano bi na meka sɛ yɛahemfo ɛnyina ɔmo nan so ama sɛ the only hope gyidi a yɛwɔ ɛne sɛ ahemfo bɛtumi aboa yɛn to fight illegal mining so ɔmo anyina ɔmo nan so na ɔmo ani no kra nkyerɛ manfoɔ no a asa sɛ wokɔduru mesi wokɔ Burkina ɔmo nso wɔ ɔmo nkurɔfoɔ no bi a ɔmo wɔ cabinet no bi o ɔmo wɔ cabinet no bi baso ɔmo kɔ cabinet meeting a biribi pa ba abɔnten kɔ ne akɔ approve yɛnkɔyɛ kwan wei yɛnkɔyɛ wei yɛmfa sika wei nhyɛ ha and you see aberanteɛ wei ɛde ideas bi a Thomas Sankara na daya a wɔsoeɛ no aberanteɛ wei na de yɛ adwuma he's doing that yɛn Ghana anka obi a yɛbɛka sɛ nka obi di n'adwene yɛ adwuma industrialization revolution sɛ yɛakɔ nyina nka obi di yɛ adwuma a ka obi ba ɛnɛ yɛ anka ebɛtumi aka obi a nipa asoma sɛ de Kwame Nkrumah adwene na ɛyɛ adwuma because of mine we have resources sɛn ne yɛbɛtumi ayɛ de value aka ho value addition ɛno ne nka yɛ sɛ focus of course mampani John Dramani Mahama baɛ the investment in the road sector yes I agree he's doing well. The big push is doing well. But we can do more.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
We can do more and do better. Because I see I can say, well, I mean, akwani bi ho and me say obai bia na ubeye ube invest in roads. The Traoré area wo Burkina no. He is also generating revenue for the state. And me say if you invest well, one, you create jobs because baby a kwan papa bi ani pa ko hoko ekodi dwuma. Baby a kwan ebeto bia no. Amanfo ye projects. Enti na obi atona asase o baby a ekwan nye wagya to ho. But the moment a kwan be start to say yes kwan ye no. Obo say the whole pre no opentema ko any project adentia because access assured. Jubon said they begin to create jobs within that areas. Now no me catch say may I agree with Obia and I disagree with Obia Obeka say yanko so amfa sa 40 and unko tie swame ho. No. Say 3 tier near the baako ye outer ring road. I agree with some one more adwene say that is the best way to go because yentimi mfa development ni nyina metan finfin and create attention e wo swame. When you betimi anya access alternative and on the other side that a hospital create another opportunity. And you see when you begin to do that, we yes the pressure in be good finfin who achieve bibia. And you also hear 3 tier no the only thing is be the 3 tier no ye na say the outer ring road no and also create access for and then so far free jeso na wo ba be dru from so ho a hwe kwan ne de aye kasa kese no oma mem kwan na ma say wo ka wo fam a Onshia in the next 5 years, or 5 years, Krawa. In the next 2-3 years, ultimately for car and for that area because Okano ebechi, asiebechi, so Okano, saloon cars na more from no. What do you do? Just observe it. It is something I've observed. And this year, you are the Omakofa the other side. And there are panel for now more chronom. I'm top panel, obi so create an Excel ho. Because cars I can see no Eko Burkina ne the Eko Tamale na sefo no. There's no need so babe for chrome until obi our pep panel atono. One also better panel or that straight. And people will create jobs. If you invest, the only thing is see about investing, near investing well. That is the only thing. The only thing, no, intermediate, I have been consistent. Say, Chroma etino, obiane na dream. But I agree with the current position that yanya three near for one, any outer. Because we cannot. The point is that there's a need to say easy traffic. Kumasi. And you say, Kakasiano wa mame ura ho Burkina no amefa Anoga Junction. Now when Chemo Ankofa Abuabo no Ankofa airport runabout. That's what Drew. I just saw a Tiano Remu Hoko Pier the other side. There's no pressure. After pressure where so say what's here near develop swap your friends Anoga Junction. Emma Honsi interchange, you know. So pressure will go. It will go down because car walk tamale our bus. Onishi ye Kumasi Vivian Mefa, Udru and Wafao. I have been consistent and no me say, sad decision, no, me no more yarding. Ya manaya fed, I see a yamanaya fed, but say ye look beyond the fair. Near see the purpose since you be traffic every town in Mudia. Then let's go that way.
87.9 Kumasi.
Enti yedie no yedie eno no oh my God yedie no me kan nyina me wi a me banum nsuo kaza tenten ni nsuo so